Hi guys! Welcome back to Immersi Fun English. You're watching part 2 of our mini-series about two confusing verbs in English. Take and get. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, no worries, but I think you really like it. It's short, useful, and super easy to follow. Now, let's jump into today's verb. Take. Let's begin. The first meaning of take is when you pick up, grab, or hold something. For example, when I wanted to leave home, I took my keys. Took is the past tense of take. I pick up my keys. I grab my keys. Or I take my keys. After that, my mother told me, take your jacket. The weather is cold. Honestly, she was right. The weather is so cold. When you want to pick up something, you can say, can I take this book for a second? Can I take this book for a second? Take also means to bring something with you. For instance, I always take a bottle of water when I go out. Or take your phone with you. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It could rain. Take is used for medicine and some food and drinks. For example, I take vitamin every morning. Or my doctor said I should take my medicine after lunch. I usually take a cup of tea in the evening. He takes a sip of water after his run. Guys, the meaning of sip is a small drink of a liquid. Look. I took a sip of water. And finally, I take a snack before going to the gym. Yummy! Another way to use take is with transportation, which means using a vehicle to go somewhere. For example, I take the bus to work. He takes a taxi every morning. We took a train to the city. Take is used to talk about time, and take time means to need a certain amount of time to do something. For example, cooking a pizza takes about 30 minutes. On the other word, it takes 30 minutes to cook a pizza. It takes 10 minutes to get there, which means you need 10 minutes to get there. Learning English takes time. You need time to learn English. So relax, take your time, and don't rush. In this part, we have some important phrases and collocations. These are common expressions with take that you can use every day in English. Take care. To be careful and look after yourself or others. Take responsibility. To accept the duty or job you are in charge of. Take a shower. Take a break. Take a photo or picture. Take notes. Take a seat. Take a look. This table includes even more everyday expressions that you can easily use in your conversations. So, feel free to try them out. Great job, everyone! Now you know some of the most common and practical ways to use the verb take. If you watch part 1 and part 2, congratulations! You've learned two of the most important verbs in English. Thanks for being with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video and take care.